Hey folks, I got a mystery package from eBay. I paid like $10.99 for this. Here it is. I'm gonna open it for the first time. Here are the cards. I think it's like maybe 25 packs. It's supposed to be some autographs. Let's see what kind of buried treasure I can find here. Oh, it's my part on me. Whew. So the first one I get a Topps refill card. This is a 2014 off. Oh, I got autograph. Champ Vision autograph. Not numbered. From 2010, Shen, you just received a autograph card from. That's kind of cool. Autograph's really cool, even though I don't know the player that well. It's like it was with Midland. It was like a Miley card. Angels, I got a Jim Gray card. Remake rookie card. Like a 60 Topps. So. Henry. Preview. Kind of preview card. That's kind of weird. I never seen anything like this in the background like that. I'm not sure this is a OPT card or. But you have the license. The team. Like part card. With the Orioles in this picture. Like a 2010 card. Got a redo. It's a Topps with heritage cards. Gary Jones. And he got top Allen Gillard cards. I believe he got a package today of these today from kind of a little sneak peek. Jim Garcia card is a rookie card and it came out in 2011. Very nice. Oh, I got an autograph card. Topps, like a minor league player. Danny Herman. Bowman Chrome. Even the Twins. That's kind of cool. It's not numbered. Oh, as it is numbered. It's 92 out of 150. That's quite cool. Autograph. And an Alfredo Shim. 2014 card. Got Shane Kelly, New York Yankees, 2015. Don't know much of his career. Red Sox, so. Got Luke here, Chrome, rookie card. Very nice style. Shiny. Jason Kempdale. Boy, what my years. Is a the catcher baseball Topps. Adrian Monens. Rookie card. This is a Topps 2014 Topps. David Merchant. Rookie card. Looks like a Topps 2015 Topps. So, looks like with the Indians. Justin Williams, Arizona. Looks like a rookie card. You got Chrome, Bowman Chrome autograph. Like an Olympic card. Not numbered. Oh, it's numbered 98 out of 199. That's kind of cool to have in your collection. Chromes, Bowman. I hate the 89 Bowman with a passion. Got a sleeve, sleeve. This one, my goodness. Mitch Moon card. It's a 2010. So once again, I paid like $10.99. What kind of baseball cards you guys collect? What kind of teams you like? Comments, do you collect baseball cards? And the last are most of our common cards from the 89. Got a rookie card. Mostly a lot of rookies. These are rookies. Mostly rookies. Players I haven't really heard of. Got a common card. So please like and subscribe. We do different things. I do commentary, movie reviews. We go different places. I do things I'm into. So let me know, like and subscribe, and we'll go from there. And let me know what you think. What I need to work on. Just be nice. Maybe be nice to everybody else. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye.